Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Home Depot account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now, to log into your Home Depot credit card account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in Home Depot credit card login and hit on enter. And after that you'll be on this page of Google result, and you can see where there is the Home Depot credit card. There says login and apply. Click on there, and then you'll be directed to the login page of Home Depot. Just wait for it, and it says here Home Depot consumer credit card login and apply service. Now, in order to log into your Home Depot credit card account, enter your user ID over which you had registered on the Home Depot at the time of creating your account, and after that enter your password over here. But guys, if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can always see three-way user ID or reset your password from over here. If you click on either of these buttons, you'll be taken to a procedure where you'll be able to retrieve your user ID or reset your password. And with that being said, guys, after entering your user ID and your password, just click on the sign in button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Home Depot credit card account online on your computer. And guys, this is how to log into your Home Depot credit card account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.